So welcome to this affiliate marketing course. The reason I put this course together is because I want more people to learn about affiliate marketing. And my angle is I want people to learn affiliate marketing rather than just go out and buy courses. There are so many people out there right now who are teaching how to do affiliate marketing by selling courses, and they're selling courses to teach affiliate marketing, and the whole thing goes on. And really, what I do is I make money with affiliate marketing, and this is why this course that you've got access to right now is for free. Okay, I could sell this course every single day, but I'm doing it for free because I want people to learn. And let me tell you, there's enough money inside affiliate marketing for everybody to be successful. Okay, so that is what I want for you, okay, to be successful. So what we're going to be doing in this course, what you're going to learn, number one, is a complete proven framework to build any business online. I just like affiliate marketing. I'm also involved with network marketing and also internet marketing generally, forex trading, but this course applies to affiliate marketing. And if you're somebody who is brand new to the industry, if you don't really know what to do, or if you're somebody who maybe has been in the industry for some time and you want some strategies that are really going to work, then this course is for you. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the exact framework of how to go from zero to whatever level that you want to achieve in your business. And what I always do, if you look at any of my case studies or if you've seen any of my trainings before, I always give myself 12 months. Regardless of what business I'm in, it's always a 12-month plan. And that really is the first thing that you want to plan for, is the 12 months. The second thing I always plan for is the income. Okay, how much income do I want to generate within that 12 months, and how am I going to get there? Okay, and we're going to be covering that in day 2 or module 2 coming up in the next video. So you're going to learn the exact framework of how to build an affiliate marketing business right from scratch. Okay, I'm going to show you the business models that work, some of the business models that aren't so good, and some of the best business models that I leverage myself, and I recommend you seriously take a look at those as well. So that's what we're going to be covering in the course. It's going to be a really good experience. Okay, there's a lot of things involved with this, and what I recommend wholeheartedly is you go through this course several different times and you go through every single module and also take notes. Now, one of the things I try to do is I try and make these modules short and to the point, because I know most people are distracted online with so many different things, okay, for various different reasons. So I'm going to keep these modules short, to the point. I'm going to give you that workable framework that works every single time. So if you're ready to get started, welcome to the course, and I'll see you in the next module.